Hello students, now today this is MISHRA from Woodbine Modern School, your chemistry teacher, and today I am going to present my 13th lecture on matter in our surroundings of class 9th chemistry. Now in my last video I have discussed about the fourth state of matter, that is plasma, and today I am going to discuss about the fifth state of matter, that is Bose-Einstein condensate. This is the fifth state of matter. Now in 1920, Satyendra Bose, an Indian scientist, did some calculations on fifth state of matter. On these calculations, Albert Einstein predicted the fifth state of matter, and that state of matter was known as Bose-Einstein condensate. Now, this was finally achieved by Cornell, Ketterle and women of USA by low density gas and cooling it to super low temperatures. This fifth state of matter was achieved. Now this was all about this fifth state of matter, and the research work is going on still, so you will know more about in your higher classes. Now today I am going to discuss some NCERT based questions, in-text questions as well as exercise questions. Now students, this is the first question of NCERT book, page number 6. The question is, what is density? The mass per unit volume of a substance is known as density. That is density equal to mass by volume. Now arrange the following in increasing order of their density. There are some items given which we have to arrange in their increasing order of density. Now first is air, exhaust from chimneys, honey, water, chalk, cotton and iron. Now first let us arrange these and then we will discuss one by one. Now what will be the correct order? The first one will be air. Now this is less than exhaust from chimneys. Now this is again the correct order will be less than cotton, because cotton is a fluffy solid, and after that we will consider water, and then honey, which is a liquid, viscous liquid, and then will come chalk, and the last one will be iron, which is a compact solid. Now students, why we have taken air as the lightest substance? Now what is air? Air is a mixture of light gases like nitrogen and oxygen. Mainly there are some other gases also. Now mainly there are nitrogen and oxygen. So it is a mixture of light gases. So the density of air is the least among all of these. Now what are the exhaust from chimneys? Now exhaust from chimneys contain exhaust from chimneys contain heavier gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide. Apart from air. Now these all gases combine and make the substance heavier. So it is heavier, or the density is more from the exhaust from chimneys to that of air. Now comes the cotton. We will discuss about cotton. Now what is cotton? Is a fluffy solid having lot of gaps or spaces which are filled with air. And therefore it is heavier, or the density of cotton is more than that of the density of exhaust from chimneys. Now next comes, we are talking about chalk. Sorry, we are talking about water. Now water is a liquid having particles closer and therefore the density of water is more than the density of water. Okay. Now next comes honey, which is a viscous liquid. Now honey is a liquid containing heavier particles which is also a liquid. But the density of honey is more than the density of water. Now the next is chalk. Let us discuss some points about this chalk. Chalk is a porous solid in which the particles are very closer to each other and gives it a fixed porous. Now there are some pores or gaps which are filled with air, and therefore the density of chalk is more than that of the density of honey. And the last is iron. Let us discuss some points about iron. Iron is a compact solid. Solid in which the particles are very, very close. That is very, very close to each other. And the forces of attraction is the most, giving it a fixed shape. As the particles are more closer than that of the chalk, so iron is the heaviest, or the density, or the substance which is having the greatest density. Now this is all about this question. We will discuss about next question in my next video.